What's good, everybody? You already know what it is and you know where you at. It's your boy. And before we even get started, you already know I like to say I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Today, as you see by the thumbnails and the description and the title, we got myfitteds in the building. And we already know the good work they've been doing, man. They've been dropping collection after collection, themed collections at that. I got one from a themed collection. Then I got one that's pretty much predicated to me. And this is just my opinion. So far, definitely top runner for hat of the year. Easily contender, unless something happens from now. And we just at the beginning of the year. So this is just me talking. We just at the beginning of the year. But right now, easy hands-on favorite early contention is hat of the year. So with that being said, I want to hurry up and jump right into these because I want to hurry up and see them in hand. I mean, one, like I said, that hat of the year contender, I've already been seeing it floating around in a couple of the early peaks, and just glad I was happy to get my hands on it because this one's definitely for the culture. So with that being said, we're going to hurry up and jump right into these, man. I'm going to hit y'all with that good intro. I got to hit y'all with the good intro. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Got to hit y'all with the good intro. And then we're going to get into these bangers. Like I said, you got your boy, you got myfitteds. We finna get into these, man. So stay tuned and buckle up, man. This one's finna be a banger. So let's get it.
Yeah. Let's go.
Like I said, man, we're gonna jump right into these because I'm ready. I'm ready to see these. Got my little utensil, and we're gonna jump right into this first one. And like I said, of course, I already pretty much know what these are. I mean, I got a couple other things from a couple other their collections on the way already, of course. This one definitely was another must-have out of their collection. And this one was in their, let me make sure, I want to give y'all the good descriptions and everything on it. This one was out of their, I guess, proclaimed cereal box collection. And they had a cereal pack collection as per saying on the actual description of it. And they had a couple things on here that looked good. I tried to go for two. Was only able to get one. So hey, it happens to the best of us. We all lose out. But the good thing about that is the one that I actually wanted was the one that I got. Surprisingly, by the time I went to go ahead and cart and, pay and get it out of there, it was already telling me one was sold out. Hurry up and minus that out. Boom, and just went straight to the checkout process because that is the one I wanted. And I didn't want to miss out on that. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you already know when you're buying, you got that mental, okay, let me get this, and this, and let me hurry up and go. And then you just minus out from there. And if you get a chance, hey, you come back and you grab something else. I've done that multiple times before where I grab what I can the first go round, I jump back on there. If what I'm looking at, that was maybe a third and a fourth choice option or something like that, hey, I grab them. And sometimes I lucked up on them, sometimes I haven't, but that's just the game. But back to the description. This one is the Burlington Bees cereal pack Honey Nut Cheerios inspired. Now this one here says it all because the colorway is just on another level. And there you have it right there. The logo itself is on another level, but one thing about me is I'm always loving anything tan, a wheat color, a khaki color, because it hits well. I mean, I know we're coming out of winter going into spring, but you still got that kind of weather where you can still break out your Timberland boots. But like I said on other videos with things of this color, luckily for me, I do have some Jordan wheats, you know what I mean? I have some other color shoes to wear, like I got a tan shade or a suede tan leather kind of look, you know what I mean? So I can still rock these things. So luckily, that's why I picked these up, and this logo is just crazy, man. The detail on that is just, I mean, it's crazy, man. What can I say? They got the little Burlington Bees, but it does look like a kind of a mutated Honey Nut Cheerios bee, you know what I'm saying? He looks a little angry, like he's trying to go yard with the bat, you know what I'm saying? Definitely love that. You got the gold. I'm glad they did do it in gold for the New Era flag. Got your Class A Midwest League. I'm pretty sure that's where, you know what I'm saying, because this is a minor league team. Definitely like the patch on it. Never seen it because I don't really buy too many minor league teams. So it's definitely a dope patch. I like how they got the little kind of cross bat action going on there. And of course, you got your minor league batter man on the back right there. It's not indented, but hey, it's not bad. I still like it, you know what I mean? Because I like the whole colorway mesh on it. Then you got that gold, kind of dull gold bottom on there, which really kind of hits it off. I'm definitely glad they went with that. Got the black guts on there, nothing too out of the ordinary, nothing too crazy. Like I said, Burlington Bees, Honey Nut Cheerios, because of course, if you look at it and then you look at the Honey Nut Cheerios box, I mean, it does give off that vibe because it has pretty much the same color. It has the golden for the honey, then the brown for the wheat, so it gives you that whole vibe. So I definitely, like I said, glad this is the one I was able to get, because the other one, like I said, is sold out. I can't even remember the other one I actually went for, but it was 2 that I actually wanted. I can't remember that. I might have to come back to that in the comments. You know, when y'all comment down below, let me know if you was able to hit on any of these, because these definitely went quick. These flew off of the page. I mean, I'm surprised this one, to me, this was the best one out of the bunch. Let me know what you think. This was the one, like I said, I went for first off that I had to. This was the first one I actually carded. Then I tried to go back for my other one, and then, yeah, it got snatched. You know what I'm saying? But glad I was able to get this one. Burlington Bees, Honey Nut Cheerios. Definitely love it. I like that underbottom, man. Like I said, it's not really gold. It's kind of like an off gold, but it still fits because it matches. You know what I'm saying? You know, when I give y'all the angle, see that under visor, got the little color on the B, the whole little thing. Definitely loving it. Now, this next one here, definitely got to give y'all the background on it. Now, I want to give y'all the background on it, but I want to have it in my hand first. You know what I'm saying? While I'm giving the background on it. Sorry, I've been waiting for this thing, man. Definitely been waiting for this. Oh, that's crazy right there. Yeah, get this down on there. The fact that I got this in my hand is crazy. Okay, let me go ahead and set this up for y'all, just to pretty much, you know, lay the groundwork for this hat. Now, when everybody first seen the representation of this hat, as far as the early look and everything, I believe it was done first on Views from the Vault. Then later, they actually did an IG live for it. But everybody knows Views from the Vault. You know, you got Captain America, you got Leon, you got the Hat Crawler Jason, and you got Monfu Prophet. Now, he showed everybody a look on these on both shows when he did the IG live and on the Views from the Vault, and he had a hat that he had an idea for, and he went to John Jay of myfitteds, and you know, they ran with it. He had a plan he wanted to do of a producer that he liked, of a pretty, I mean, it's a pretty famous hat because it was done from a famous album covers. And that was Dilla and Dilla Donuts. You know what I'm saying? With that famous Detroit hat. Now, he brought the idea to him. They collaborated on it. They put it together, and they manifested it. You know what I'm saying? And he showed that on his IG page. And the story is, to be honest, because I mean, I talked it up with him. I chopped it up with him about it, and they didn't think it was gonna be that big, actually. And which I told him I don't know how, because this thing, it was gonna fly. It was gonna burn as soon as it hit. And that hat being the famous hat that he wore on that cover, which is the Dilla Donuts hat as it's going on. Now, this to me, like I said, and this is just my opinion, I can't wait to hear y'all down below. To me, this is already early runnings of hat of the year. You know what I'm saying? The quality on this thing is crazy. I mean, it flew off of the sites. I mean, it didn't even stand a chance. The fact that they thought that this hat was going to sit or not do that well, that definitely ran astray, because it was later brought that, and I'm pretty sure everybody is thanking Captain America for that, you know what I'm saying, because he talked them into doing the pre-order. And not just a pre-order, he did a pre-order for the version with the 2006 side patch, which is the year that he actually passed away from, I believe, complications of lupus, which is a disease out there. And I've actually known a couple of people with it, and the disease is definitely no joke. You know what I'm saying? And he passed in 2006, and they did a pre-order for this exact one here with the 2006 side patch. Then to actually get, I guess what you can kind of say maybe is the original, because it doesn't have the side patch. It's just the actual hat. And I'm not going to lie, I got this one here, and I actually did the pre-order for the one without a patch because I want one of both versions. So it's kind of like, man, I don't know what I want to do. Do I want to wait for that one to come in because I want to keep this one on ice? And do I want to go ahead and wear this one because since that one is technically kind of the original one that he wore without a side patch, do I keep that one on ice? Needless to say, since I got them both, I got options to decide what I want to do. But man, this hat is something else, man. Hopefully everybody was able to get their hands on it. Because, I mean, and then I love the fact they got an indented Batterman on it. Definitely love the fact of that. And then that's crazy with the cocaine white bottom. That's crazy, man. Just pure white. This one is definitely going to get hit with some protector because I want to keep in the sanctity of the white UV. But this one here, this one's on another level, man. Definitely on another level. Like I said, famous producer. He's known for me, as far as when I got introduced to him, was when he did songs for Far Side. This is kind of this old hip hop, man. This old school hip hop. Like if you know, like Tribe Called Quest. Like I said, Far Side. He was a member of Slum Village. Like I said, if you know that kind of hip hop, then you definitely know what Dilla touched as far as a producer. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, me, this one had to come home because, like I said, this one for the culture. I'm kind of be honest with you, I was a bigger Far Side guy than Tribe Called Quest. You know what I'm saying? Back in the days with that kind of rap, you know what I'm saying? And of course, I still got all of that music on my phone for all those eras because, I mean, that was my era of hip hop when I grew up. You know what I'm saying? So this one was one of the ones that was definitely for the culture. Had to have it, had to come. Glad I was able to get my hands on it. And more so, definitely deserves a shout out for actually talking him into doing the pre-order. Because from what I understand, the pre-order went bonkers too. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I know I got one. And I heard a lot of people saying on social media they actually got one also. And some people that wasn't able to cop them both. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, with the side patch and without. So, man, shout out to Cap, shout out to John Jay. They actually did their thing with this one. Like I said, if you know old school hip hop and you definitely know his producing and what he touched on this music and with this hat man as a whole, definitely something just to have. You know what I'm saying? Even like I said, I don't even know if I'm gonna wear this one. I'm gonna try to decide what I'm gonna do, but this was definitely one that just, you know what I'm saying, if you're from that era and you know what I'm saying, that hip hop, this was something that, you know what I'm saying, I had to have it. You know what I'm saying? It was no questions asked. So, you know what I'm saying? Definitely shout out to Cap for this one. Because this one, this is a treasure, man. This is a definite treasure. Now, this one right here, knowing that they put this together and you see this on another site, this is kind of one of the ones you'd be like, come on, man. Come on. Because nobody was thinking about doing this cap. Nobody was thinking about doing this cap. You know what I'm saying? Plus the knowledge of, you know what I'm saying, throwing that side patch on there for the year that he passed. Nobody was thinking about that, man. So I think this is hella dope. Shout out to him for that idea. And then both of them coming together to manifest that idea. That's a hell of a thing, man. So definitely shout out to both of them for that. And like I said, man, I don't even want to sit it down like that. I don't even want to sit the undervisor down on anything. But that's all I got, man. 2 pickups from myfitteds. I got more coming from them on the way. I got more coming from everywhere on the way. But definitely just wanted to get you guys this out right here. Hit y'all with the quick recap, of course. You know what I'm saying? Got your Honey Nut Cheerios pack, your Burlington Bees, that off-tone gold undervisor. Then you got your Dilla Donuts, man. Like I said earlier, hit me down below. I'm taking all comments. I want to hear you guys' opinion. Early run-ins, easy hat of the year for me. We're going to see how the year goes, but this is definitely already, it's to etch that up in the top of there. Definitely hat of the year, in my opinion, which is just my opinion. Let me know if you guys were able to get lucky on it. Let me know if you guys were able, like I said, they did a pre-order. So I believe it was open all the way to that Monday. This released on a Saturday. It was open to that Monday. So let me know if you guys were able to get 1 or 2 on the pre-order. If you was able to catch it live and you still got something on the pre-order. And hopefully you just able to cop. You know what I'm saying? Hit me down below and let me know. Other than that, it's your boy. I'm going to jump up out of here. Leave y'all with those. You already know what it is, man. Like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff, man. Even if you don't, I always appreciate you rocking with me. I'm going to meet y'all in the comments. I'm going to get up out of here. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. It's always the next one, man. It's your boy. I'm going to get up out of here. I'm gone, man. Always appreciate y'all.